southwestern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Elroy to near Hillsborough to Lafarge, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Reedsburg, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Delton, West Baraboo, Bluffview, North Freedom, Long Vale, Rock Springs, Loganville, Ironton, Lime Ridge, and Devil's Lake State Park. This includes the following locations: Mirror Lake State Park and Kilbourne Dam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.